Greenville Floor Outpatient Rehab Center is located on 1802 Strong Avenue. We've been here for a little over 20 years in this current location, and we offer physical therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, and we also offer cardiac rehab in addition to the wellness center. All under one roof, which we're proud of. You know, we can offer that to our community and not have to go to different places to have some of the same services of the same caliber. The Wellness Center is open 7 days a week with reasonable rates with discounted membership plans for families and local businesses. Our exercise specialists work with each member to develop an individualized diet and exercise plan, as well as to create achievable goals. Aquatic rehab is a rare service found in our region. The SwimX is not only available to therapy patients, but also to wellness members who want to be fit.
In physical therapy, when your doctor prescribes it, what you need to expect is we are here to get your motion back in your joints, okay? We're here to increase muscle strength, which often happens after a surgery, get your pain down, and hopefully get you doing things back not only like before, but better than before.
Occupational therapy is a service that we provide for patients where we try and get them back independent as possible following a physical injury or a limitation. We try and get them back independent with what we call activities of daily living. And the activities of daily living are basically the ability for somebody to engage in play or work or to be more independent in anything that they may do during their daily life. So we try and get them back as independent as possible. We also focus on upper extremity injuries from the shoulder down to the wrist, and we see a patient population from pediatrics all the way through the geriatric cycle.
Cardiac rehab is a lifestyle modification program. After you've been diagnosed with some heart disease, whether it's a heart attack, congestive heart failure, angina, we enroll you into cardiac rehab with the physician's order. The program is a lifestyle modification program where we help you to identify your risk factors, those things that predispose you to having heart disease, high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, the risk factors of the sort. We identify those risk factors, help you to modify those risk factors and change the risk factors so that you can lead a more heart-healthy lifestyle. The program will last anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks. You come about 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, generally about an hour. After 3 months, most folks have already gotten into the habit of continued exercise. They've started to change their diet and are on the way to a more heart-healthy lifestyle.
We provide speech therapy services at this facility primarily for outpatient, for pediatrics, adolescents, and adults, all three of those populations. Primarily with the pediatric population, we will focus on language and or swallowing disorders, and then the same goes for adolescents and for the adults. We get a lot of adults that have had strokes or other neurological disorders, traumatic brain injuries, that kind of sort of thing. And we'll focus on language and cognitive rehabilitation as well as swallowing rehabilitation for them as well.